Okay, so we're going on to look at some further factorizations. In particular, all of these will have a difference, the absolute value of the difference. 5 take away 2 is 3. 7 take away 4. Now there's a negative here, that's irrelevant. 7 take away 4 is 3. So we look at the absolute value of the middle. Plus I'm just going to throw in an extra one for luck. Okay, let's put the smaller number here, 2x squared. Let's use 8, 9, let's use 9 out here. Now 9 take away 2 is minus 7x. So the point is, I don't care whether you go 2 take away 9 or 9 take away 2. Because we only care about the absolute size of that difference, meaning how big is it. And then compare it with how big this is. We worry about putting in where to put in the plus or the minus to figure out the rest of it. So if it's true, the absolute difference, subtracting the two outsides, is equal to the middle, the size of the middle, you're using this method. Okay, so here we go, 5 take away 2 is 3. So we know the 5 and the 2 go together, if you like. And an x and a 1 goes together. Okay. Now the big one here will be the 5x. There'll be two partial products, the 5x and the 2x. Well, the big one wants to have that sign. So then you follow the reasoning, meaning that has to be positive. Eleven take 2 is 9. So, and if it difference. So you're using subtraction. I just want to give you a silly little kind of a mnemonic to remember this. You're using subtraction. So subtraction, and sometimes, and yesterday we were using sum when they were added. So sum and subtraction both start with S, and S and slide. Slide starts with the letter S. What I'm saying is you're going to leave the 11x there and you're going to slide the 2 over. And just remember that that's x and 1. Now the big part is that 11x compared to the 2x. No, the big part is that 11x there, the big part wants to be negative. 7 take away 4 is 3, slide. Okay, the big part is 7x wants to be negative. 7 take away 5 is 2. Slide the 5. 7x is big, wants to be positive. This has to be negative. And like I said, I just do this extra one here because I think I wanted to give you the full adaptability and flexibility of this method. It doesn't really care whether it's a big number here and a small number here. 9, so you can work your subtraction back this way, we don't care. 9 take away 2 is 7, it's a candidate. So we know we were going to slide that 9. We know we're going to get as far as here, and this is where the genius part comes on. And this is at an ordinary level paper, this is as tough as it gets. So we have 9x worth of that, and a 2x there. Well, the big bit wants to have this sign. Now how do I make that negative? And for a change compared to the other questions, we're going to put the minus here to make it negative. I hope that explains it to you. Enough for today.